But before that, let's just go randomly into my let's go randomly into my feed. Yeah. So and check this thing. This is a good example of a catchy thumbnail. Check the hook on the thumbnail, the image on the thumbnail, and the person running. Check, everything is actually like a hook. So that's what boils down to the success of a video on YouTube. The thumbnail. Alright, let's continue. Alright, let's see this. Everything done by 11 a.m. 98k views 6 days ago. Obviously, maybe all these people maybe they have background, they are already trusted, but there is still something that you see all these top creators very intentional about. They're intentional about how they create their thumbnails. Very, very intentional. Alright, see what's it, Myron Golden. You see his hooks. They are so intentional about their hooks. Very intentional. Let me click on make Mrwhosetheboss.com. Myron Golden, he has 1.38 million subscribers, right? And he has posted 819 videos. So I also will not complain until I got into 819 videos, and I'm going to learn from all these people. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to compile all these great creators into one videos to help anyone and myself create the best thumbnail and make the best out of YouTube. So check his channel 3 years ago. Welcome to my Golden channel. Check his thumbnail. His thumbnail is no times better than money back guarantee, right? I won't say this is his best thumbnails, but let's continue. Check his best thumbnails. Master the impossible. Contemplate your life, right? Streamed 1 hour ago and 4.2k views. You might be saying that that's not much, but 4.2k views is so massive. Yeah, so massive, like really massive. So how anyone can become great at anything step by step. 6 months ago, 161k. Check his thumbnail. His image is centered. I call this centered layout. This one is centered layout. This one is a diagonal layout. Imagine this one is a diagonal layout. This one is a centered layout. This one is at the text is at the center. The image are at the left and right. Right? Image, text, image, text, image, text. Like, if you notice, most of them put their image and their text there. So let's go to Hormozi. Hormozi is just almost exactly like this channel, right? He has 4.33 million subscribers. So this is what's called. Let's check out his channel. He used his face, right? So that's his brand. So he just started a challenge recently, scale or fail, Hormozi. So like, check out. But he's using something so very important, which is his image. They are putting images there. So even if you are unrecognizable at the moment, still put your image there. Imagine now you're not putting your image there, and then suddenly your videos are getting views, are getting recognized. As time goes on, you will definitely want to maybe collaborate with brands or something. And then it's even rare nowadays for you not to be putting your image at the front of your on your thumbnail, because yes, people want real people They want to view real people. That's what we come here on YouTube to do. You can also testify to that. So check out this. It's captivating. Captivating. Get obsessed. It's like a motivational speech, right? Imagine free sales calls. Free sales calls. It is something that you definitely want to watch if you are interested in marketing. Imagine someone saying you will suffer. You'll be like, why would I suffer? Right? So yeah. Let's continue to Mr. Who is the Mr. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, he has 507 million subscribers. I was explaining in the last video I did, but I realized I didn't put on the mic. Imagine that. To survive 30 days chained to a stranger. Imagine an old woman being chained to you and then you're holding your cheek. Your imagination will start working when you check out these big creators thumbnails. They are very intentional about their thumbnails. So very intentional. It's like it's AI generated, right? But they are still intentional. Yet, like, check it out. Imagine this is even the one that caught my attention the most because I know I show speed. It's the only one I know here though. I don't know, maybe you know other people here, but I know I show speed. Definitely, I would definitely want to watch if I'm interested in his videos, right? Imagine this video you would want to watch because imagine someone buried on an island, like forgotten on an island. You definitely want to watch this video, right? So that's something he's doing. Like, let's continue. Mrwhosetheboss, 72.7 million subscribers. This is a video that caught my attention, so I'm just talking about these two videos. I want it to be under 10 minutes. So I tested smartphone that shouldn't exist. Even the thumbnail speaks already to you. You want to watch, what is this? Which kind of smartphone be this? In Nigeria, we say which kind of smartphone be this? So check out the second video, which did very well. 3.1 million views, minus $52,000 on top of a luxurious house. You'll be like, how did you do that? Because you definitely want to get your house. Maybe you definitely want to maintain your house. So you wouldn't even check out. I don't know what this is. Maybe you would know, but I don't know. So, but you would want to check out what that is, right? So that is just what thumbnails is. Check out. Let's continue with thumbnails. Yeah, there was a time I was addicted to his videos, right? Let's go to MKBHD. The same thing. Imagine that Siri, the Siri. Once we press on Siri, the animation that pops up is here, right? And then 1.9 million views. Not even the views itself, but understanding thumbnails. All these big creators, they use good thumbnails. So I would admonish you to use better thumbnails starting from today on your videos. If you want to learn how to create thumbnails, I'm going to share how to do that using AI, just as these people use AI to create thumbnails. So bye for now.